Just don't deep and don't take it personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
Hello, it's your girl Sarah B Beauty. Today I got y'all this. I got this blue jean Steve Madden purse, and you get the leather blue across the strap, and then this is like a metallic gold chain. And then of course you get your Steve Madden symbol, and you get the button fastened. And then the inside looks like this. You get your side pocket with the zipper. Then you get your two pockets here, like for your phone or whatever else you want to slide in there. So this is like a medium-sized purse. I did a haul on these. What is this called? Britta denim. I did a haul on this before, and I got it from Steve Madden's store, so I can't remember how much it cost, but I just thought it was kind of cute. I thought it was going to be a little darker, but it's not, so that's what I got. And then I ordered this purse from Miss Lola. This is a rhinestone purse from Miss Lola. And I don't know, I was thinking every time I order it'd be looking dark online. So this is what I got. You get the rhinestones on the handle part, and then the zipper is gold. And then the other side has rhinestone. The bottom has some rhinestone. Then once you unzip it, it looks like this in the inside. You got some room in there. You get that one side pocket right here. And then you also get a strap with the purse. I don't never use a strap, so I won't be using that. And then you get the side pocket right here with the gold zipper. How cute is that? So I said at night, your girl, I love to bling, y'all. Keep telling y'all, your girl loves everything rhinestone. Let me walk past the store and it's got some rhinestone. That's gonna catch my eye first before anything else. And you do get like a little this little white bag to keep your purse in. So I tend to keep my rhinestones in there just so they don't get any dust and stuff on them where they fade. So that's how I store my rhinestone purses. Okay, and I got a couple more purses. This blue one, it says, I got this from Shein. It just says tote bag. And I put this little gold chain on there. Your girl just love gold. And because the zipper was gold, it's gold to the inside. I'm sure the light is kind of blinding it out. Oh, and I got this from Shein as well. And then you get one big old pocket right here. And that's the only pocket you get. And you do get a strap. Even though I'm not going to use the strap, I'll just be using this. But I thought it was cute. It's like a cayenne blue. I thought this was super duper cute. And then I got this color. And I put these little rhymes. I got these little things from Shein. The little charm, and then the this gold thing, which is, I think is supposed to be, I forgot. It's like, I forgot what it's called, y'all. I forgot, but I got this little gold thing from Shein, and then the zipper is gold. You get the same little side pocket in the inside, and then you also get a strap. Your girl's not gonna use a strap, but that's what it looks like. And this is like, I don't know what type of green this is. It's not a green, but if you guys, it's that color that you're seeing now. I thought it was cute. It's different. I don't have anything like it. So that's gonna be all for the purses. And now we're gonna get to the try-on. Okay, so the first item I'm gonna show you guys is these heels. They have iridescent rhinestones on them. I got them from Shein. The heel is like a 4.5-inch heel. This is the front of the shoe. This is the back of the shoe. And believe it or not, these were kind of comfortable, but after a while, I did wear them once. They kind of, you know, got to hurting a little bit. But I thought these were super duper cute, guys. Can y'all see those rhinestones? They are so cute, okay? So, my next pair of shoes that I got from Shein are going to be these red patent shoes. And these are like 4 inches. So I can see these. The heel is not that tall. That's the back. So I like to wear these with jeans. This is real cute. I have a purse this color. I know y'all, I got to. And for my reference, all of my shoes are 8. I can normally size down. If they don't have an 8, I can go down to a 7.5. So that's the advantage of having a small foot. But yeah, I thought these was cute. Everything I'm showing you guys, as long as they still have it available, I'm going to put the link below so you guys won't have to look for it. And my camera is beeping. I'm not for sure if it's going to die, what it's doing. But okay, let me keep going just in case it does decide it wants to give out on your girl. So I got another pair of heels. These are black. These also came from Shein. These are the ones I was telling you guys that they look tall, but guys, they are so comfortable. This is black patent, and you get the clear cross going across your foot. I have not worn these, but I have tried them on. Then you get the clear heel. That's the bottom view of the shoe, and then here we go again on the side. Ladies, I think these are so comfortable, and I did wear a pair, not these, to a funeral, and guys, believe it or not, I was able to walk and stand in them. I was in those shoes for over 4 hours, and without them even hurting my foot. They were very comfortable. So I also got in, I don't know what color this is. Oh, this is a fuchsia color, but this has a strap. The ones I just showed y'all, they did not. But this has a clear strap. And then that is so cute in the inside. Pink, you know your girl loves pink, but this is like, it's like a fuchsia color. You get your glass heel. That's the bottom of the shoe. And this is the side. Y'all, and these are 4.5. I tried to buy nothing but 4.5 because like 5s is okay, but when you get to 6 and 8, no. You won't be able to walk in those. I mean, you will, but you won't be in them long. So I like to get the short heel. It doesn't even look short, right? But they are 4, and I think they're 4 inches. Very comfortable. And then my next pair, sorry y'all for getting up. I'm showing you guys the mirror behind me. I want to say this is like a loud pink color. Take that out. The light is kind of drowning it out, but it's like a it's almost like the color of this house coat I got on. This little house coat I have on, but it's not showing up on camera like that. And the heel is the same. That's the bottom. Then, you know, of course, you get your clear straps, and you get the part to go across your feet. Though that's clear, so they are going to be the same inches, 4 inches. And I love 4 inches. I also love 4.5. So if you get those 4 inches to 4.5, you can wear those all day. I promise you, they will not hurt your feet. And my next pair is this color It's like a light peach. And I thought these were so cute because I don't have anything like these. Same heel. The front all the way across is peach. Thought this was super duper cute. Yeah, I can't wait to wear these. Oh my gosh. We're getting into spring and your girl cannot wait to wear these feet out because they've been covered up all winter long. Which I know here in Texas, we have some sunny days. Our weather is bipolar. One day she'll be 70, 80. And then next day, you know, she's 40 degrees. So she disrespectful. She don't never stay the same. You'll never know who she gonna be. She's bipolar. But this is another pair of red. This, I want to say these are like a 3.5 inch heel. So these were, I have not worn them, but I have tried them on. These were comfortable. You can see that. Side view, bottom view. And I think that's going to be all for my shoes. So I think I'm going to get into the try-on haul part. So let me put this up and then we'll try the clothes on. Hey guys, and I also got these shoes from Windsor. They were $29. And I did get 10% off because you can see, is a rhinestone missing right there. And then there's a couple missing on the other side that I'm gonna put to me and myself. That's the front. And then that's the side. And then this is the bottom. And it's the back. And it is a zip up on the side. I thought these was cute except for the rhinestones missing. So because of that, they did give me 10% off. And I did purchase these in store. So I looked them up. I think they had them online. But I went in store and purchased these. So it's gonna be that. Let me scoop that over. And I have 2 more pairs of shoes. I got these from Amazon. And I just thought these were so gorgeous, guys, because you can even wear these in the springtime. Now these are black and silver, and you got like a little wedge heel. Like somebody. I'm gonna take the tape off so you guys can see what it looks like with the tape off on the side, because I think it still smells like that glue. So you guys can see the buckle on here. And it is silver. And it looks like that because these are black and silver. These are so cute, guys. And these are pull on, so they don't have a zipper. But it looks like I'm missing a few rhinestones. I didn't even notice. Well, one has slid. But yeah, it's not really noticeable. But I thought these was cute. I don't remember the price, so I'm just gonna link these below for you guys. Let me just stick it back in like this because I don't want to hold up the video by doing that. And these are by Liliana. Hopefully I'm not butchering your name. But this is the last pair that I have. I got them in gold. And the gold ones look like this. How cute. And these babies shine at night. I know they do. That's the back of it. That's the side. And then of course you get the bottom. I tried them on. I did wear them. So I did wear these. And they were comfortable. I just hate like this part. It kept sliding down over the heel. So I kept having to pull it up. That was the only aggravating thing I didn't like about these. Is that this part when you walk and it just slides down, it keeps going down. So it covers up the heel. I don't know why I was doing that, but it was doing that. And that's gonna be all of the shoes.